Hello, my name is Moises Elia Rodriguez Infanzon. Lesson from the history of Joe and Susan. The history of Joe and Susan offer us valuable lesson about love and relationship. It teaches us that reciprocity is essential in love. Joe made the effort to win Susan over, but she did not valuable in it. Also, it highlights the importance of teaming. When Susan realizes her feelings, Joe has already found love with Akshay. Finally, it remedying of that there are algunas opportunities for love, even when we believe theory of not open left. Thank you.